After pasting over all the files into the respective folder, now you need to open the notepad. Okay, go to the search bar and type notepad, and then you need to open it as a run as administrator, and then click on the S. Okay, after clicking on the S, it would be open. Okay, in the notepad you need to click on the file and then open the file. Okay, you need to go to the local disk and then go to the program files x86 and then go to the code blocks. Now you need to click on the share folder. Okay, click on the share folder and then the code blocks, and then here there are the certain number of folders. Among this you need to click on the templates folder. Now you need to change the extension. Instead of the text documents.txt, you need to click on the all the files. Okay, after clicking on all the files, you will see the certain number of files. Among this you need to open, that is a glut.cbk, that is cbk extension. Click on it and then open. Now the file would be open, and then you need to click on the edit and then you need to click on the replace. So first you need to find the glut32 and then you need to replace with this glut32 with the free glut. Okay, and then you need to click on the replace. After replacing, since it is only one, it is one glut32 is present in the folder. After replacing it, it would show the pop-up message that it cannot find glut. After replacing all the glut32 with the free glut, we need to click on OK, and then we need to click on cross month, and then we need to save. Next, we need to open the another file, that is open. And same way, you need to go to the local disk, program files x86, and then the code blocks, and then the share folder, code blocks, and then templates. Now you click on the all files here, extension, that is all files, and then go to the wizard. Okay, and then here you will see the glut folder. Like, see, you can see the glut folder, right? Then click on it. So you would see the certain number of files and the one. Okay, now you need to click on the wizard.script. Click on it and then you need to open it. Here also it's the same thing. You need to click on the edit and then the replace button. Okay, you need to find the glut32 and then you need to replace it with the free glut. Okay, then you click on the replace option. Okay, after replacing it would show the cannot find. Okay, it would have been replaced previously. Okay, and then after replacing all this process, and then you need to click on the save button and then you need to close. Thus the completion of downloading the code blocks and along with that the OpenGL libraries we have done with the process. Now let's do open the code blocks. Click on the search bar and then type code blocks and then you need to open it. So after opening, I would close it again and then I would open code blocks, open it. Okay, this would be the opening the code blocks library. Since if you have opened the first time, it would show up the window like this. You need to click on the create a new project and then you need to go to the all categories and then select the 2D or 3D graphics and then click on it, and then you need to select the glut project and then you need to click on the go button. After clicking on it, the pop-up message like this it would be showing, and then you need to click on the next. You need to give the project title anyhow whatever you want. Since I'm testing whether it is running or not, I'm giving the folder name as a test, and then you need to click on the next. And also make sure that the program files has a correct extension where the glut folder we have been pasted, that is under the program files and under which code blocks and then min.gv. Under this min.gv we have include folder where the glut folder is there. We need to make sure that correct location has been given. Okay, and then you need to click on next. After clicking on the next, you need to checkbox, the create debug configuration, you need to uncheck the, no, there is no need to check this create release configuration, since we have only the testing and then it is only for the self learning purpose. It is better to check only the create debug configuration. Okay, and also GNU GCC compiler, you need to make sure that these two are been on, and then make particular connections. Okay, that is corrections have been done. Next we need to click on the finish. After clicking on it finish, you can see the workspace where the folder with the project name which have been created, it is the test, and then the sources. Sources means which are the folders which are included in this. And then you click on the plus mark where you can see the main.cpp, since it's C++ programming, it is a CPP extension. And then you need to click on it. You would see the basic coding. Okay, this is a sample which will be inbuilt program in the code blocks. Okay, and then since we are running this program first time, we need to click on the run build and run button. I will click on it. Since there are no upper, this is the output we may get. This is the CG product, right? CG product output. So this is how, guys, we can proceed with installing the code blocks and then FreeGlut and then copying all the folders, and then we need to replace the certain number of parameters in those particular files, and then we are proceeding with coding and then running our program. If you have any doubts and then queries, you can comment in the comment box. Okay guys, thank you.